5 volts 10A Li-ion cell capacity grading charge discharge tester. DT50W16N can be applicable for capacity test, auto cycle charge and discharge test, capacity grading and matching, balance maintenance, internal resistance test, etc. of various lithium batteries, Ni-MH batteries, Ni-CD batteries. DT50W isolation detection technology can determine the location of the bad cells without disassembling the battery pack, then replace it. It can balance charge and discharge the unbalanced battery pack to balance the battery and restore the battery pack to normal balance. DT50W128 is composed of the single DT50W16. A number of DT50W128 can constitute a testing group to match the needs of mass testing.